What is the best way to version control design assets? If you are wondering how to effectively manage your design assets, you are in the right place. Let's break down the best way to version control your design files, especially when using Adobe Creative Cloud. Version control is all about keeping track of changes to your design files. It creates snapshots of your work at certain points, allowing you to restore earlier versions if necessary. This is particularly useful to avoid accidental overwrites. In Adobe software, you can check out an asset before making changes and check it in once you are done. This ensures that only one person can edit a file at a time, and all changes are logged properly. For Adobe users, tools like Adobe Experience Manager Assets and Adobe Asset Link work together to create a smooth version control process. When you check out an asset from Adobe Experience Manager through Adobe Asset Link in applications like Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, the file downloads and syncs locally via Creative Cloud. You can edit and save your work as needed. Once you finish, you check the asset back in with comments, and a new version is created while the old one is archived. This method helps reduce editing conflicts and keeps a clear history of changes. Integrating a digital asset management system with Adobe Creative Cloud can further improve your version control. This centralizes assets, metadata, and version histories in one accessible platform for your entire team. This setup allows you to manage files, add comments, assign tasks, and search for assets without switching between different applications. Plus, it provides cloud backup, which lowers the risk of losing data. You have three main types of version control systems to consider. The first is local version control, which stores versions only on your device. This is suitable for individual work but not ideal for teams. The second is centralized version control, which uses a single server to store all versions. This allows team members to access and update files with immediate synchronization. The third is distributed version control, which copies the entire version history to each user's device. This enables offline work and minimizes risks to the central repository. For design teams using Adobe software, centralized or distributed version control integrated with Creative Cloud and digital asset management systems is the most effective. It balances collaboration, accessibility, and file security. To effectively manage version control of your design assets with Adobe tools, start by using Adobe Asset Link to check out and check in assets directly within your Creative Cloud applications. Save your work frequently and add clear comments when checking in to document your changes. Avoid moving or renaming files in the synced folders to keep links intact with the asset management system. Finally, employ a digital asset management platform integrated with Adobe Creative Cloud to organize assets, manage metadata, and streamline collaboration. By following these steps, you can ensure that your design assets are well managed, editable by the right people at the right time, and backed up with a clear history of revisions. This will help you work efficiently and confidently within the Adobe ecosystem.